Hello, Bettina. Thank you very much for the video that you sent to me. I don't really get too many of those sent to me specifically, so I'm very flattered and I really appreciate it. In this video, I will be showing you a montage of pictures of places I've been here in the Philippines, especially around here in my hometown of San Pablo City and Bohol, somewhere south of the Philippines, where I went to in 2004. I hope you like it, and I hope it shows you a little bit of what my country is like. Hello also to Steve Oscar, who mentioned me in one of his mountain climbing videos, who expressed interest in the Philippines. I hope you also find this video hopefully interesting. Here goes.